तो वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, आप क्लास 9th, दिस इज डीपी द्विवेदी और मैथमेटिक्स टीचर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव सेम चैप्टर नंबर 12, हेरोन्स फार्मूला एंड एक्सरसाइज 12.2. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज लेक्चर नंबर 33. आई होप यू विल रिमेन वेल. आप अच्छे होंगे और आपकी स्टडी चल रही होगी. तो स्टूडेंट्स, without any delay, we take question number 6 of 12.2. In this question, an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter again. How much cloth of each color is required to making for the umbrella? Umbrella is there and there are 10 triangular pieces like that. For example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 front side pieces and back side pieces are umbrella. So in this case, students, one piece which is triangular in shape measuring 50 centimeter, 20 centimeter and again 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter, sorry, like that. 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and again 50 centimeter. Students, this is the one piece of one color of cloth. This is triangular shape and we have 3 sides of triangle. So first of all, we should find area of this cloth which shape is triangular. Student, first of all, we will try to find area of cloth used in one triangular piece, and you know there are total 10 triangular pieces of different colors, in which 2 different colors are there, means 5 pieces are of one color and 5 other pieces are of other color. So we need to find cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. It means we have to find area of first 5 colors. So first of all, we should find area of cloth of one triangular piece using Heron's formula. So see students, here let A is equal to 50 centimeter, V is equal to 50 centimeter and C is also equal to 20 centimeter. C is different. So here we use S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. This is called semi-perimeter of triangle. This is 50 plus 50 plus 20 upon 2. That is 120 upon 2. It means 60 centimeter. So here students, semi-perimeter of this piece is 60 centimeter. Now write down this, and now we use Heron's formula to find area of this single piece. So okay students, right? I think you have written. So now students, as you know, we have a piece like that, 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and again 50 centimeter, and S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and S is equal to 50 plus 50 plus 20 upon 2. It becomes 60 centimeter. Now area of cloth for one piece which is triangular in shape is equal to under root, using formula students, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So here students, we will put the values of S, A, B and C. S is here 60 and 60 minus 50, again 60 minus 50 and finally 60 minus 20, because 20 is the last side. Now solving 60 into 10 multiplied by again 10 multiplied by 60 into 20, that is 40. So students, here if we take pair 10 and under root 60 into 40. Students, this can be also written as 10 under root 2400, that is 10 under root 24 into 100. Again students, square root of 100 is equal to again 10. So this 10 remains same, but new 10 which is square root of 100 come outside the square root and under root 24. So this becomes 100 into 20 under root 24. Now students, you can write here, sorry, 10 10 ja 100, write down here 100 is there, and this can be written 100 into under root 24 can be written as 2 2 ja 4 6 ja 24. So students, this can be written as 100, again make pair 2, take bahar outside the square root, and now 6. So finally 100 into 2, 200 under root 6 centimeter square is the area of cloth for single piece. So students, write this for single piece. So students, here we have find area of cloth for one triangular piece is equal to 200 root 6 centimeter square. So cloth required for one color, or you can write here each color, that is for each 5 pieces. Sorry students, so students, here we have area of cloth for one triangular piece, 200 root 6 centimeter square. Now we need to find cloth required for each color, that is for each 5 pieces, is equal to, we should multiply by 5 into 200 root 6 centimeter square. So students, here answer will be 1000 root 6 centimeter square for each color. So students, clearly we need cloth, as mentioned here, cloth of each color is required for the umbrella. So your answer is 100 root 6 centimeter square area of cloth required for each color. Okay students, so this question is completed. Write down. So students, now we have question number 8. Question number 8 of 12.2. Students, question 8 is as same as question number 6 was. We have in this question floral designs, and the design contains 16 tiles. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles. See here students, there are 16 tiles which are triangular. The side of triangle being given 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Students, you know there are 16 tiles. We have drawn here 4 tiles. Tiles are there. In your book there is complete diagram, but here we designed only 4 tiles whose measures are 28 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 35 centimeter. We can let A is equal to 35 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter and C is equal to 9 centimeter. Students, see here. So students, to find the cost of polishing all 16 tiles, first of all we should find the area of one tile. Okay students, then we'll find area of 16 tiles, and after that we can calculate the cost of polishing at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So here for one tile S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 35 plus 28 plus 9 upon 2. So here students, you can write adding I think 72 upon 2, 5, 8. Now divide by 2, that is 36 centimeter. Student, this is the semi perimeter of one tile. Now area of a tile, TILE, is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and students S minus C. Putting the values of different value S, A, B, C. S is here 36 and 36 minus 35 and 36 minus 28 and 36 minus 9. Okay students, so here we have put the values of A, B and C. Now we have 36 multiplied by 1, again multiplied by 36 minus 28, 8 and 36 minus 9, I think 27. So these are the values students. Now write these. So now students, here we can have 6 into 6 into 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 27. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. Pairing 6, 2, 3. 6 is outside the root 2 and 3 and the remaining number 2 into 3. So we can write 6 2 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36 and square root of 6. Okay students, now so this is the area of one tile. So the total area of 16 such tiles are equal to 16 into 36 into root 6 centimeter square students. So now students, we have to find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So cost of polishing is equal to 16 into 36 into root 6 into 50 paise students here. Okay, and if you want to convert paise into rupees, so we should divide by 100. 16 into 36 into square root of 6 into 50 upon 100 rupees. 52 ja 100, 2 8 ja 16. So you can write here 8 into 36 into square root of 6 rupees. Now students, you have to find root 6, then you will multiply with 8 and root 36 and certainly you will get answer. So students, write down. So students, I think 8 into 36, 278 and approximately root 6 is equal to 2.45. So I think if you multiply, then you will get 700 something, 705.60 rupees. So this is the cost of all 16 designs. And students, this is the final answer. So student, now I hope you will solve all some remaining questions from same exercise, and if you have any problem, you can ask. Now I would like to conclude here with question number 8. Now with this video you will get some more questions for practice. So okay students, write this solution. Students, here we have solved some questions, and I hope you will solve the remaining question. So till then we will meet in next video. Till then, if you like it, so subscribe the channel and keep solving, keep watching video. Okay students, take care of yourself. Thanks.